Meaning of gentlefolk.
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 Gentlefolk. The term gentlefolk refers to people of high social standing or those who are perceived to be refined and educated. It is often used when referring to individuals who belong to the upper class or who hold elite positions in society. The term gentlefolk may also connote the idea of manners, civility, and propriety. In general, it is a term used to describe people who are considered to be sophisticated, cultured, and well-bred. Overall, the term gentlefolk holds a certain level of prestige and status within society and is sometimes used synonymously with the term aristocracy.